In this video, we'll be unboxing and installing the SOS All-in-One 2. Before we get started, make sure to read the included user guide thoroughly. In your package, you'll receive one SOS All-in-One device. Comes with a two-way speaker and an easy-to-use push button. You'll also receive an adjustable neck lanyard, one belt clip, a charging base, a power brick, and a USB-C to USB-A cable. To get started, you're going to plug the charging base power cord into the power outlet. Place the device on the charger. It will turn on automatically. The indicator light on the device will blink red, then announce,
"Your alarm is charging."
Allow the device to fully charge before using. To test the device, press and hold the Help Emergency button for 3 seconds. The device will announce, SOS Alert has been activated.
SOS Alert has been activated.
The monitoring center will connect over the two-way speaker. Let the operator know that you are just testing the device.
Do you need help?
No, thank you. We're just testing. You will follow these same steps in the event of an emergency. We recommend that you test your device at least once per month to check the functionality and be comfortable with how it works. You're all set up with your SOS All-in-One 2 medical alert system. If you need further assistance, reach out to Bay Alarm Medical and we'll be happy to help.